station, please respond at 241 King Street in Unit 1. Our caller is advising her smoke alarm has been going off. No smoke or flames visible. Once again, 241 King Street, Unit 1, for a smoke alarm going off with no flames or smoke. Time of page is 1900 hours. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station, North Huron Fire Blyth, please respond 241 King Street, that's 241 King Street, unit number 1, responding for a smoke alarm going off in the unit. Has been going off when the caller wasn't home. No smoke or flames, no smell of any smoke. Callers evacuated, we'll meet you outside. Again, that's 241 King Street, unit number 1 for a smoke alarm. Time of second page is 1901 on November 17th. Blyth Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the Blyth Station. Blyth Station responding shortly.
That's Roger, car 4, you're acknowledging for the Blyth Station. You'll be responding shortly. It's 1902.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show car 3 on scene. Nothing showing. You said 241. What was the address?
Roger, that car 3, copy, you're on scene with nothing showing. That is Roger, 241 King Street, 241 King Street. It's apartment number 1. It's 1902.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, made contact with the homeowner. Nothing showing at this time. I'm going to just require Engine 6 to respond from Blyth Station only.
Roger, that car 3, you've made contact with the homeowner. Nothing showing. You're requesting Engine 6 respond only at this time from Blyth, 1905. Fire dispatch to Blyth Station. Did you copy that?
Copy that, Engine 6 responding. Golf Foxtrot plus 4 belted.
That's Roger, Engine 6. You're responding Golf Foxtrot plus 4 belted. Time now 1905.
Golf car 3. Go ahead, 3. I will. You can just do a code 1 response. Copy that, we'll do code 1. Car 3, Golf. Go ahead, Golf, car 3. Yeah, we're going to require packs for this. Sorry, can you repeat that message, please? Are the boys going to require packs for this? That's a negative. Copy that. Fire dispatch, you can show Rescue 7 arriving on scene. Golf will be command, and command will be mobile.
That's Roger, Rescue 7, you're on scene. Golf and command on mobile at 1908.
I have to make a correction on that unit. It is Engine 6, sorry.
That's Roger, Engine 6, you'll be on scene. Golf and command mobile, 1908.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have 4 firefighters entering the structure with faulty gas and thermal camera, just doing a sweep.
Roger that, command. You have 4 firefighters entering with the thermal camera. Just to check at 1910. dispatch to Blyth units. Is someone trying to call?
That's a negative, just happy fingers.
That's Roger, thank you.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
We've isolated this to a faulty detector. We're leaving the homeowner with a battery operated one for the bedroom. Scene will be turned over to the homeowner.
That's Roger, command. You've isolated it to a faulty detector, leaving the homeowner with a battery operated for the bedroom. Command is terminated. Trucks and firefighters are returning at 1918.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing scene.
Roger that, car 3, you're clearing scene at 1921.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
Can you give me the time the call came in?
Roger that, call was added to the system at 1859.
Copy that, 1859, thanks.